everyone, this is Sushmita and I welcome you to yet another episode of my channel. Before we start the video, I just wanted to say sorry for this messy hair bun because I just shot another video and I have no patience left to do another hair, so we'll go with it. I know it's quite late to share the haul with you as the sale is already over, but I thought it would be a good idea because there's a lot of product which are actually drugstore brands and they're quite good. So I thought it would be a good idea for me to share with you. So I received the products in this huge box and I'm gonna share the products in no particular order. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first product I'm going to talk about is this Pond's Light Moisturizer. I started using it about a month ago. This is a new one. This is the big one I ordered. I'll show you the small one. This is the small one which I bought first. Then as you can see, it's empty, completely gone because I love the product. It's super light on my skin and it doesn't feel sticky or gooey or anything. It's just so light and it moisturizes your skin the best. So I wanted a bigger product definitely for this. So this one's for that. I'm not mentioning the price. I might mention it somewhere over here. Next product I have with me is NYX Total Control Drop Primer. I have used it twice and it's quite good. I cannot really provide any review for any product right now. It's so easy to apply. It comes with its dropper, and when you apply it, it smoothens your surface and it feels like it moisturizes your skin too. Feels like satin finish and it's definitely very smooth on your skin. The next product I have with me is a makeup fixture from Swiss Beauty. This is enriched with aloe vera and vitamin E. So I actually read a lot of good reviews about it, so I thought I would give it a try. So that's the reason why I bought it. And on top of that, this is so cheap, so budget friendly. It costed me around $220 or I think even lesser than that. So I have used it once and it gives you a beautiful natural finish. So next up I have two mascaras. So on an everyday basis I do not really apply falsies, and so that's the reason why mascaras are a great option. So this one is from Rimmel London Extreme Black Scandal Eye Reloaded. This is so big and you get 12 ml of product in it. Let me just see how it looks. Oh. You cannot really see the difference right now as because I have a dark eyeshadow going on my lids, but I can definitely see the difference in between. So it looks quite promising. So yeah, I think it's a happy buy. And the next product is Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Dramatic Volumizing Mascara. Let me just apply it. And the product quantity is 12 ml, I guess. I'm not sure. The bristles of this product are very thin and fine. That's I love about it. This definitely adds little volume to your lashes. I can see that. So yeah, next one is this. So next up I have some eye glitters over here. Two of them are loose glitter and one is liquid glitter. So these were on a discounted price, so I was having a look and I really liked it. So let me give you a swatch first. The camera doesn't really pick the shine. They are so supremely pigmented. They are very good. I mean, the camera doesn't really pick how pigmented they are because of the lighting maybe, but they are so pigmented. Like these two loose glitters are bomb. So I have one in bronze and another in golden, and this one is a black glitter. Okay, so we'll move on to the next product, which is from Blue Heaven. This is a liner. This is a felt tip eyeliner. I love felt tip eyeliners because they're so easy to apply. If you are in a hurry, this is so super quick to apply. I love how they really apply. So, and as you see, it looks super pigmented. It's so easy to apply. Maybe this is a little thick, like little thicker than I really wanted, but it's okay. Like, it's so good to use it every day. I would consider it as a great buy actually. So another product from Faces Canada, because Faces Canada was running good discounts on their product, so I was looking for a kajal. So yeah, so this is again Magnet Eye Kajal, and the pigment is okay, quite good. It's not so much free as you can see over here, but for rupees 100 and 120 or so, I think it's a good buy. It's so good to apply every day. I bought a lot of budget products. Most of them are below 5 and a lot of them are actually below 300. So one among them is this brow pencil from Miss Claire's. I have already used it. As you can see the tip of it, it's so budget friendly, like 120 or 10 rupees or so. And it comes along with this spoolie, which is so easy and quick, because for me, I'm a lazy person. I have a lot of spoolies. So for me, when the brow products are with spoolie, it's a win-win situation. In 100 rupees box, I wouldn't say that you should expect this product to work wonderfully, but in any ways, it like applies on your brows like heaven. It's so buttery soft. So I have used it only once, so I felt it's so easy to apply. It's super creamy, very easy application. But the only problem with this product is when you apply it's not super thin, of course. So when you apply it on your brows, you will have to be a little careful because it might go a little up or down. And the next product I have with me is L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Expert. This is a so hype product, and I would say all the hype are worth it because I have applied it today. My brows look super natural. The application is so easy. It comes with this thin pencil, and also with this spoolie on the other side, and the formula is very good. Let me show you a swatch. Where do I show you? It's very thin. The formula is good. It's easy to apply and easy to buff as it comes along with a spoolie. So overall, I would say it's a great product. I think if you are a beginner, then this product is very helpful for you. So next up, I have two products from Pack Cosmetics. One is the lash glue. For obvious reasons, I needed a lash glue, a good lash glue. I applied it, and it is a good adhesive because I do not really keep my lashes for so long, so I cannot say really it lasts for more than 5 hours or so. Then I takes it out. So, but I would definitely give it a go, like for longer hours. But so far, it's a good lash glue. And the next product is a false mascara, false lash actually. This is in the number 53. I actually love falsies with outer band like this, so I thought I would give it a go. So yeah, so these two products are next. I have these two lipstick. One is from Maybelline Superstar Matte, another is a bullet lipstick which is from Faces Canada. I bought these two products because of the colors. I was looking for something really bold and very berry tone, but every time I buy berry tone lipstick, that I end up buying something pink or mauve sort of a shade. So this one's actually good. Let me give you a swatch over here. Oh, it's super good. And the next one is from Faces Canada. Let me just apply it for you. This is a beautiful tone actually. The name of the shade is actually Royal Maroon, but it doesn't look like a maroon shade definitely on my lips. It looked more like a red and maroon mix, but I love the shade. I think I'm done with this box, but I have two more products which are from Nykaa Luxe store. Let me just show you. One is this beautiful palette from Huda Beauty. So this, I bought this because it was on discount for 35% off. As you might know that Huda Beauty products are never on discount. Even if it is on discount, it is discount for 5% to max 10%. This time it was 35% off, and so I thought I would give it a go. The colors are so good, super pigmented. I have used it in one of my tutorial. You will see it. But the product is so good. Like the formula are super blendable, beautiful. The shimmers in it are to die for. Like literally so good. This is a shimmer. You see that? You see that for yourself? It's so supremely good. So I bought this palette because it was on discount. I couldn't resist myself because when you get luxury products on discount, I feel like I cannot really miss that. So yeah, this product. And the next product I have with me is a brow pencil. This is from Benefit. This is precisely my brow pencil, and I have been really wanting to buy it for quite a long time, and I felt like this is the right time because it was 30% off, so why not? So the tip of this pencil is super thin. That's the reason why it's called precisely my brow. I'm really looking forward to buy it because of the good reviews and people going gaga over it. So I thought I would give it a go, because when it comes to brow, I think it definitely changes your look. It definitely enhances your brow. And that is the last product I have with me, and that's all for today's video, guys. If you wanna see any review among these products which I ordered, do let me know that. I would be very glad that I can be really helpful. I would definitely share my reviews with you. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload my new videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm being Sush. See you next time.